Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code P2138 refers to an issue with the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor A and B, or throttle position TP, sensor D and E, indicating an incorrect voltage correlation between these sensors in the Honda HR-V 2016 to 2022 models. This error suggests that the voltage readings from the two APP sensors are not aligned as they should be, which can impact engine performance and lead to potential drivability issues. The APP sensors are integral to the vehicle's throttle control system, helping to relay the position of the accelerator pedal to the powertrain control module, PCM. The PCM uses this information to calculate the required engine response, including throttle opening. This issue can arise due to several factors, such as bad sensor connections, sensor failures, or faults within the PCM itself. Understanding the exact nature of this error is crucial for proper troubleshooting and ensuring that the vehicle operates within its design parameters. The P2138 error code is primarily associated with the accelerator pedal position, APP sensors A and B, which are located in the accelerator pedal assembly. These sensors play a critical role in monitoring the accelerator pedal's position and communicate this information to the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM. The PCM relies on accurate readings from both sensors to ensure proper throttle response and engine performance. If there is a discrepancy in the voltage outputs from the APP sensors, it indicates that either one or both sensors may be malfunctioning, or there could be an issue within the wiring or the PCM itself. This leads to the incorrect voltage correlation error. Proper location and function of these sensors are vital as they facilitate smooth acceleration and optimal engine power delivery. Several factors can lead to the P2138 code being set. First, faulty APP sensors themselves can generate incorrect voltage readings. This can happen due to wear and tear, internal failure, or physical damage. Second, wiring issues such as poor connections, frayed wires, or corrosion at the connectors can disrupt the signal transmission between the sensors and the PCM. Third, a malfunctioning powertrain control module, PCM, could also cause this error. If the PCM is outdated or contains software bugs, it may misinterpret the signals from the sensors. Each of these potential causes requires thorough inspection to determine the root of the problem and to ensure accurate diagnostics and effective repairs. Drivers experiencing the P2138 error code may notice several symptoms that indicate a malfunction in the accelerator pedal system. One of the most common signs is the illumination of the check engine light or a warning light on the dashboard, signaling a fault. Additionally, there may be a noticeable poor throttle response, where the vehicle hesitates or does not accelerate smoothly when the accelerator pedal is pressed. Lastly, intermittent acceleration issues can occur, where the vehicle may suddenly lose power or fail to respond appropriately during acceleration. This can lead to unpredictable and potentially unsafe driving conditions, making it imperative to address the P2138 code promptly. The first step in troubleshooting the P2138 code is to verify the problem. Begin by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This allows the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to access the vehicle's diagnostic trouble codes. Next, clear any existing DTCs using the HDS. This step is crucial as it resets the system to get a clear reading of current faults. After clearing the codes, fully press the accelerator pedal to the floor. This action allows the system to capture real-time data and see if any new DTCs reappear. Finally, check for pending or confirmed DTCs with the HDS to confirm the presence of P2138. If the DTC is confirmed, it indicates a duplicated failure, and you can proceed with the next troubleshooting steps. If it does not appear, more extensive checks for poor connections or loose terminals may be necessary. The second troubleshooting step involves checking the voltage values of the APP sensors using the HDS. Monitor both APP sensor A and APP sensor B to ensure they are outputting the same voltage readings under the same driving conditions. If the voltages are consistent, this indicates that the APP sensors are functioning correctly, allowing you to move on to the next step. However, if there is a discrepancy between the sensor's voltages, it likely indicates a fault with the APP sensor itself. In this case, the appropriate action is to replace the APP sensor. It is paramount that these sensors provide accurate readings to ensure the PCM can effectively manage engine performance and throttle response. For the third step in troubleshooting P2138, turn the vehicle to the off-lock position to ensure safe access to the vehicle's electrical systems. Then, use the HDS to jump the SCS service clear signal line, a procedure designed to test the system without interference from other settings. Following this, disconnect the PCM connector A, specifically the 51P connector. The next critical action is to check for continuity between designated test points within the disconnected PCM connector. Specifically, continuity must be tested between pin number 28 and pin number 29 of the PCM connector A. If continuity is present, this suggests that the internal wiring is intact and allows for further diagnostics. If continuity is absent, it indicates a potential fault that may require a PCM update or a substitution with a known good PCM for further verification. In the final troubleshooting step for DTC P2138, begin by disconnecting the APP sensor's 6P connector. This step is crucial for isolating possible faults in the wiring. Once the connector is removed, check for continuity between specific test points, pin number 28 of the PCM connector and pin number 29 of the same connector. The test conditions required for this check are that the vehicle must be in the off-lock mode and the APP sensor must be disconnected. If continuity exists, it indicates a short in the APS1 wire to the APS2 wire. In this case, repairs are necessary to correct the wiring issue. On the other hand, if there is no continuity, the faults likely lie with the APP sensor itself, warranting a replacement of the sensor to eliminate the DTC and restore normal operation. After completing repairs related to the P2138 code, it is essential to verify that the issue has been adequately addressed. Begin by clearing the DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This step resets the system and prepares it for new diagnostics. Next, perform a test drive of the vehicle to allow for real-world operating conditions, during which the PCM will reassess the sensor inputs and outputs. After the test drive, recheck for any trouble codes using the HDS to confirm that P2138 or any associated codes do not reappear. If no codes are present, it indicates that the repairs were successful and vehicle operation should be normal. Conducting this verification ensures the integrity of the repairs and compliance with safety standards. In summary, understanding and diagnosing the P2138 code is essential for ensuring optimal performance of Honda HR-V models from 2016 to 2022. Careful verification of both the APP sensors ensures that they are functioning correctly and providing accurate readings to the PCM. Additionally, thorough checks of wiring and connections can prevent further issues related to voltage discrepancies. By following a systematic troubleshooting process, mechanics can efficiently identify the root cause and implement effective solutions. proper repair and verification are key to restoring the vehicle's throttle response and overall drivability. Recognizing the importance of these components contributes to maintaining vehicle safety and reliability on the road. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.